Imagine a world where the boundaries between minds blur, where thoughts and emotions are laid bare for all to see. Welcome to a thought-provoking exploration of a world where everyone can read minds. In this video, we'll delve into the profound implications, both positive and negative, that this extraordinary ability would bring to individuals, relationships, and society as a whole. In a world of mind reading, personal privacy becomes a relic of the past. No inner thought or emotion is truly hidden. What does this mean for our concept of personal space and autonomy? Privacy becomes a luxury we yearn for. On the bright side, this newfound ability could lead to unparalleled empathy and understanding. Walking in someone else's shoes takes on a whole new meaning when you can perceive their thoughts and emotions. Relationships might deepen, and conflicts might resolve more peacefully. But not all is rosy. Constantly knowing others' thoughts could strain relationships. Couples might find themselves wrestling with insecurities, and friendships might be tested as people confront truths they never intended to share. The line between honesty and too much information blurs. Lies become nearly impossible to maintain. Society becomes more honest, but creativity takes a hit. The art of storytelling transforms, as surprise and suspense diminish. Can you imagine a world where the concept of magic loses its allure? Mental health takes center stage. The constant influx of thoughts and emotions from others could lead to sensory overload. Finding a haven within one's mind becomes a challenge. How do we balance our mental well-being with the heightened emotional landscape around us? The ethical compass spins wildly. Consent, autonomy, and privacy are redefined. Reading minds without permission becomes a breach of intimacy. A new ethical framework must emerge to guide how we navigate this brave new world. Verbal communication changes course. Words become less essential as we communicate directly through thoughts. But don't dismiss body language, often it speaks louder than words and could now carry even greater weight. A rift forms between those who embrace mind reading as a path to unity and understanding, and those who view it as an invasion of their very essence. Societal values are shaken, and debates about personal boundaries rage on. Education takes on a whole new dimension. Traditional teaching methods might become obsolete as knowledge can be instantly shared through thoughts. Imagine the rapid dissemination of information, but also the potential for intellectual shortcuts. Cultural differences might evolve as people truly understand the experiences of others. Stereotypes could be shattered, leading to a more interconnected global society. But at the same time, uniqueness and diversity might feel threatened by the merging of thoughts and perspectives. The legal and judicial system faces a paradigm shift. Trials become a matter of revealing the truth from the depths of minds, potentially erasing any ambiguity but also challenging the concept of fair trial and the presumption of innocence. Entire industries could emerge around mind reading. Mental health professionals might take on new roles, helping people navigate the overwhelming influx of thoughts. Negotiators and diplomats might have an advantage in understanding the true intentions of others. With thoughts laid bare, personal growth takes on new meaning. People must grapple with their vulnerabilities and insecurities more openly. The search for self-identity becomes a journey not only within, but about the thoughts and emotions of others. Conflict takes a new form. Disagreements could be resolved more efficiently as people can understand each other's viewpoints instantly. However, conflicts might also escalate quickly as emotions become visible, potentially leading to more intense confrontations. Spirituality and philosophy undergo a renaissance. Questions about the nature of the mind, consciousness, and the boundaries of the self become even more pertinent. Concepts like telepathy and collective consciousness take on new significance. Innovation accelerates as minds merge in ways previously unimaginable. Collaborative problem-solving becomes a powerful tool, leading to rapid advancements in science, technology, and the arts. However, the potential for intellectual property disputes also intensifies. The specter of mind control looms. The ability to read minds could potentially be exploited for manipulation and coercion. The distinction between consent and coercion becomes increasingly blurred, leading to complex legal and ethical debates. In a world of perpetual mental connection, the yearning for solitude becomes profound. Finding moments of quiet introspection and personal reflection becomes a precious commodity, as people seek respite from the constant stream of thoughts around them. The concept of everyone being able to read minds is a thought experiment that stretches the limits of our imagination. It's a journey that leads us through uncharted territories of psychology, ethics, technology, and human nature. While it promises profound connections and unparalleled understanding, it also carries the weight of unprecedented challenges. Whether it's a utopian reality or a dystopian cautionary tale, the potential impact on our world is as vast and intricate as the human mind itself.